We are going to work on the user's earnings, and that is when we click on the My Earnings, I want to see all the earnings for a particular user. But before we get into that, let's fix this issue, and that is follow and unfollow. At the moment, it is not working. Let me try out. If I follow, nothing seems to be working. The issue is from the post, then the post details. Let me show you where the issue is. And the issue is from this line of code. Previously, the content for the following is the actual IDs. But now, since we are populating the following to have the actual data, the value in this callback function is no more the actual IDs, but instead it is the data about this particular user. Therefore, unless we use the underscore ID. And that is it. So let's try out. As you can see, now it is working. Perfect. In the next video, we will go ahead and then work on the My Earnings.